In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming mouse on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Attack Shark X11. The Attack Shark X11 is a versatile gaming mouse designed with high-performance specifications. It features the PG6 3311 sensor capable of up to 22,000 dpi sensitivity, 300 IPS tracking speed, and 35G acceleration. This wired, 2.4G BT connection mouse offers a polling rate of 125 to 1000 Hz, ensuring responsive performance across different systems including XP, Win 7, Win 8, Win 10, Mac, and Android. It weighs 63G plus or minus 3G and includes Huano switches rated for 20 million clicks, ensuring durability. The mouse is rechargeable with a 300 mAh battery, supported by a Type-C charging cord and a charging base. It comes in black, white, or red, and offers customization options via its dedicated driver software, allowing for DPI adjustments, macro programming, and various settings configurations. Number 2. VGN Dragonfly F1. The VGN 2.4 GHz wireless gaming mouse, marketed as the Hi-Bear 3C Accessories Store's flagship product, boasts a range of features tailored for gaming enthusiasts and general users alike. Designed with an optoelectronic operation mode and powered by a rechargeable battery, this mouse supports both left and right-hand users with its ambidextrous design. It offers precise control with a 1200 dpi sensor, PAW3395, ensuring smooth cursor movements. The mouse includes 8 buttons and 1 roller, facilitating versatile functionality. Its lightweight build and dual-mode capability enhance usability, while certification ensures compliance with CE standards. Originating from mainland China, this mouse combines performance with convenience, making it suitable for various computing needs, from gaming to everyday use. Number 3. Infic F1 Wireless Mouse. The rechargeable wireless mouse by Zundler combines advanced features with ergonomic design, making it suitable for both professional work and gaming. Weighing 135G, it operates in optoelectronic mode and is powered by a rechargeable 500 mAh lithium battery. With a DPI of 1602.4 GHz wireless connectivity, it offers stable performance up to 10 meters away. The mouse features 6 buttons, including DPI adjustment, and supports 3 connection modes: 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth 4.0, 5.0, allowing simultaneous connection to multiple devices. Its ergonomic build includes a skin-friendly feel, side finger rest, and large tail support to reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Ideal for precision tasks, it incorporates quiet buttons and a robust optical tracking engine suitable for various surfaces, ensuring efficiency in both office and gaming environments. Number 4. Infic F9 Mecha Mouse. The F9 Mech version wireless mouse by Zundler is a high-performance accessory designed for both gaming and office use. It features a silent micromotion mechanism that operates at only 25 dB, ensuring a quiet environment suitable for focused work or gaming. With a DPI ranging from 800 to 2406 programmable buttons, including a DPI adjust button, it offers precise control and efficient gameplay. The mouse is ergonomically designed for right-hand users and is lightweight for comfortable use over extended periods. It's rechargeable via USB Type-C, with a 500 mAh battery that provides long-lasting performance, supported by intelligent power-saving features. Compatible with Windows XP and above, it combines versatility with eco-friendly design, making it a practical choice for various computing needs. Number 5. PG6 Computer Mouse. The PG6 Computer Mouse is a wired device branded as LEDOAR, originating from mainland China. It boasts certifications including CE, FCC, RoHS, and UL, ensuring compliance with international standards for safety and electromagnetic compatibility. The specific details and functionality of the product are not provided in the overview, inviting potential buyers to view more detailed information.